guys, welcome to our channel once again. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to be making Sago Porridge, which is very popular in Guyana. We all had this from time to time growing up. And today we're going to be making that for you. And for that we have some water, sago. We're going to be using some mixed essence, carnation milk. We're going to be using some condensed milk instead of sugar for sweetener. We have some nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon. Okay guys, so that's all the ingredients, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do here, my friends, is that you have to soak your sago for a bit until it swells. Okay guys, so we have soaked our sago for a little while and we are ready to go boil now. So right away we're going to add our cinnamon stick there, the nutmeg and the cloves. So at the beginning you would have to keep turning it like this, a little bit, moving it around a bit like this, because it's going to stick to the bottom. Because this sago is starchy. I am already beginning to get that familiar smell of this porridge. If you're Guyanese and you go anywhere and you get this smell, the scent of this, that would be a familiar scent. It'll bring back memories for you. You say, oh, I know what that is. I had that already. So Molly has just added the mixed essence there. So we can let this boil for about 50 minutes or so, and stirring occasionally to prevent it catching at the bottom. Okay guys, so this has boiled enough for us. We're gonna add the evaporated milk. So now for the condensed milk. As I said, you can use sugar, be using this instead of sugar. So that's looking familiar to you now, right? And that's it guys, we're done here already. And I had a little taste of that and man, it's so good. As I said, tapioca you can use instead of the sago as well. They're similar, they look the same, and you basically can use one for the other in a lot of things. The sago is made from a palm tree called a sago palm, and the tapioca is made from the cassava tree. Okay guys, so that's it for this recipe. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.